How to turn off sync Facebook friends on TikTok account. Today guys, I will show you how to turn off this option. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel, and let's start. First you will open your TikTok. Then, as you know, when you open TikTok, home will open automatically. You will just go here to profile, then go here to this three line, then go to settings and privacy, and then go to privacy and go to sync contacts and Facebook friends. Then you will just turn off this option by make it look like this, and that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.